Dear students, now here I am going to explain you very important thing, that is construction of division of a line segment. Okay, let's see how to go with that very important question of for exam purpose from exercise 11.1. It's a question number 1. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter, and we need to divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure two parts. Okay, the ratio we are given 5:8. It indicates that 5 plus 8, that is 13. Okay, first of all, the length of this line segment we are given 7.6 centimeter. Let me use my scale and I am drawing one line segment of 7.6 centimeter. You just see how to go with that. Here it is 7.6. Please measure it properly. This is 7.6 centimeter. I hope it's visible. Now let me call the name of this line segment. I am giving A point here and this is B point. This is 7.6 centimeter. Now without measuring approximate, we have to take one angle, that is XAB. Okay, that must be acute angle, means less than 90 degree. Without measuring approximate 60 degree, you just choose and extend that ray. Let me call this ray AX. Okay, now we want 5 plus 8 total equal 13 parts. Okay, so on my compass I am choosing the radius not more than 2 centimeter. Approximate say radius should be similar for all arcs. Clear? So keep the pointer of the compass. I am choosing one radius. This is my A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, and of course A13. Okay, let me give the name of this A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, and last A13. Reason to approach up to 13 is 5 plus 8. That is 13. Now nothing to do. The last point A13 and B I am going to join. Just see. This I am joining. Clear? Now after joining this, we want it's a fifth part. I want to convert ratio in 5:8. So how to move out with that? Keeping the scale, and I am going to shifting of the scale to A5 because I want the ratio 5:8. So I want to draw the parallel line. So I am shifting my scale and it is coming here A5. You just see A5. I am stopping here A5, and this line is the parallel line, and I am calling this intersecting point O. Okay, we can see this angle and this angle, they must be similar. The angle this and this must be similar. This is actually parallel line we are drawing. Now we can say that AO and OB, AO is to OB, the ratio of this is 5:8. Okay, let's write steps of construction here, and this is our O is the point which divide line segment AB into 5:8 ratio. Okay, now I am going to explain you steps of construction. Okay, dear students, as I explain you the how to construct the division of a line segment, now we are going to discuss steps of construction of it. Okay, be ready for that. First step, what we have done, whatever we have done, I am going to explain you same thing here. First of all, you can see in the figure, first of all, I made you draw this line segment. So please write down first step. Draw line segment AB that is of 7.6 centimeter. In second step, draw an angle XAB, which is an acute angle. XAB, which is an acute angle. Clear? This is the second point we have done. Now in third step, what we have done, I want to make equal parts. So take radius not more than half. Take radius approximate 1.5. Approximate 1.5 centimeter and draw similar arcs. Draw similar arcs A1, A2, A3 up to A13. What is the reason behind that? Because 5:8 means 5 plus 8, 13 parts I want to have of it. Then what I have done in next, I have joined A13 with B. Join A13 with B. And the last step, what I did, from A5, you can see here, this is A5. So from A5, draw parallel line. Draw a parallel line. What we call, name of that line is A5O. A5O, which is parallel. A5O is parallel to A13B. Agree? So here I am mentioning A13B. Okay. So I can say O is the point. Next step. Up to here you have written. Now next step, I am clearing it here and mentioning it here. I can say, thus O is the point. Thus O is the, O you can see here, O is the point. O is the point which divides AB. Thus O is the point which divides AB line segment AB in the ratio 5:8. Fine. So I can say AO ratio AO is to OB equal to, AO is to OB is 5:8. Okay. Further in the question, they have asked to measure this line segment. Means we need to find the value of AO also, measurement of AO and measurement OB also. Okay, fine. For that, I am using my scale and I am measuring AO. What it is coming? Approximate 2.9. Yeah, it is coming 2.9 centimeter. So I am mentioning this is 2.9 centimeter. And of course, from here to here, if I measure, that is coming, yeah, 4.7 centimeter. That is also needful answer to mention. I hope it's clear to you how to go through the steps of construction.